Oh my god, why did it take so long? I wish there was a way to just write faster.
Typing faster? Check out my new invention, the typewriter.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? What is this and who are you?
My name is Christopher Latham Scholes, and I invented the typewriter in 1868, just a couple of weeks ago.
But why'd you do this? What's this for?
Well, I just wanted to create this so there would be a more efficient way to write for people.
So, how much does this cost?
Manny, take it away.
You get designed for only $125. Now people can get more rich and get more jobs by this new invention, the typewriter.